Okay, here's a new addition to the shop. There's a storage option here. Built this guy. I didn't film any of the construction because this was just kind of built as I went along. No plans. Just for the Harbor Freight storage boxes. Holds 10 of them, and it's on a good $25 set of casters, so it rolls really easy. It's really nice. Got a good solid thick top on it, and it fits in a place that was not so nearly well used before. So I got 10 things in a place of a couple of things. So anyway, that's the newest addition of the shop, and it's easy to build. I'll show the construction method I use. It's simple. Simply aluminum runners screwed to the side, and plywood shelf sitting on that. That one shelf was a little short, so I had to put a couple of extensions on the back of it to make it even, rather than cut a whole new sheet of plywood.